Very good morning. You are most welcome in Dr. Saurabh's classes. In today's video, we are going to discuss some problems of the physical chemistry from R.L. Madan book. Name of the author is the R.L. Madan. It is a book for physical chemistry and useful for the preparation of M.Sc entrance examinations of different universities, JAM and CSIR NAT Chemical Science, as well as the cover the syllabus of the B.Sc. Right? And you can join the classes for calculation of the different types of the problems, exercise and completion of the whole syllabus and concept of the physical chemistry book R.L. Madan. Join the Dr. Saurabh sir classes for regular classes, doubt sessions, study materials and join a series of mock tests based on the problems of the particular book. And you make a call on this number 906 239 5123, and also you can WhatsApp on this number. So now start for a problem, solution of a problem. Today problem based on the distribution law. Distribution law. What is the problem? So first we will read the question. Question is the at 25 degrees Celsius, the distribution ratio of hydrogen sulfide, gas between water, the gaseous condition, and benzene, C2 is 0.17, 0.17. ये रेशियो है डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन का, किसके बीच में? वाटर और बेंजीन के बीच में. Now calculate the what is the minimum volume of benzene necessary at 25 degrees Celsius to extract in one step 90% of hydrogen sulfide. One step में आपको क्या करना है? You have to extract the 90% of H2S gas, right? Present in 1 liter of 0.1 molar aqueous solution. And second task is the what total volume of benzene will be required. Total volume of benzene will be required if the 90% extraction were to be completed in 3 steps of equal volume of benzene. And third is the using 100 ml of benzene. Using 100 ml of benzene every time, how many extraction will be required to complete 90% extraction. तो क्वेश्चन में 3 प्रॉब्लम्स हैं जो कि हमको क्या करनी है? सॉल्व करनी है. तो फर्स्ट वी विल ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन, एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू द given question, this problem is based on the Nast equation, based on the Nast distribution law. Nast distribution law. Nast distribution law से related है ये problem, and which describe, क्या describe कर रहा है distribution law? We describe how a solute distributes itself between two miscible solvents at equilibrium. Two miscible solvents at equilibrium, right? The core concept of the question is that the distribution law. Concept of this question is the distribution law, and according to this law we can write distribution of the solvent itself, the concentration in phase 1, concentration in phase 1, and second is the concentration in phase 2, concentration in phase 2, and represented by the C1 and C2. In your question given value of C2, C2 का given value है. तो in this specific case the ratio is given as D is equal to C water, इन दोनों में इसको डिस्ट्रीब्यूट होना है, एंड C2 is equal to benzene, right? And distribution figure or ratio is given in your question. It has 0.17. 0.17. Now try to understand what is the process. So for a solute X initially we have a solute X and then in water initially in water and volume of water VW being being extracted being extracted by an organic solvent. In this case, what is the organic solvent? Organic solvent is a benzene, right? Organic solvent and volume of organic solvent is Va, right? The amount of solute. क्वेश्चन में क्या पूछा है? The solute, amount of solute remaining, amount of solute remaining in the water, amount of solvent remaining in the water W, and after after an extraction, after an extractions is, ये हमें यहाँ पे कैलकुलेट करना है. What is the formula for this? तो WN रिमेनिंग जो कॉन्सेंट्रेशन है एक्सट्रैक्ट वो क्या होगा? WN इज इक्वल टू W0 D V W वॉल्यूम ऑफ वाटर and distribution of V water plus VA, right? ये हमको यहाँ पे क्या करना है? सॉल्व करना है क्वेश्चन. ये W जो है नोड वो क्या है? इनिशियल मास और मोल्स ऑफ सॉल्यूट. WN इज इक्वल टू मोल्स रिमेनिंग इन वाटर आफ्टर n स्टेप्स, आफ्टर n स्टेप. VW इज इक्वल टू वॉल्यूम ऑफ वाटर और VA is equal to volume of organic solvent, right? So now start the question number A. क्वेश्चन नंबर ए को हम क्या करेंगे? आप सॉल्व करेंगे. क्वेश्चन नंबर ए दैट इज द कैलकुलेशन ऑफ